With the COVID-19 going on, the guys, we kind of sped up here at the shop. This is a produce food, so we try to supply, our distributors. So we kind of picked up. So we had to pick up the pace a pretty good bit too. The guys are still coming in. They come in at their normal times, just trying to take the keys to keep your hands washed, cleanliness. We kind of shut down the shop from outside vendors coming in right now. We'll take orders from the outside of the shop to the doors, just trying to wipe everything down, sanitize everything a little bit better.
I know it's difficult for me and the guys, but we work as a team, and we try to have a smile on our face at all times, and we're still in good spirits. I mean, I know it's a trying time, and we're away from our families that more than likely are at home right now, but we are glad to do it. We are glad to come in to feed the nation, to send our product out and keep the nation going. So I look at it as we're a family up here, and we work together to that main goal is to get the product out to the DCs and to our customers so they can have vegetables and keep this country going. So it's tough, like I said, but I would much rather be at work than sitting at home. I can honestly say that.
My name is Jason Baker, the former fleet maintenance manager here at the shop in Pillion. Here at the shop in Pillion, we over all the farm tractors, the over-the-road tractors and trailers, service, brake repairs, anything you can think of that goes wrong on the truck and trailer, we take care of it here at the shop. As far as pickup trucks, vans, small repairs, large repairs, we do it all here at the shop. We currently got 8 people on staff here all times, full time. By taking care of everything here at the shop, Pillion, as far as the fleet, over the road transportation, shipping department, warehouse, field ops, so we handle it all here at the shop. Downtime, when you have your own site repair facilities versus taking it to a dealership, you're cutting it in half as far as your downtime goes. Downtime is key, trying to get the stuff up and running as quick as possible, efficient. That's what helps having your own site repair facility. Kind of 3 different departments going on. I got my guys that work on the farm tractors, the vans for the harvesting crew, and I got my guys that work on the over-the-road trucks. I got my crew that works on the trailers, and I got a reefer tech that's here full-time. So we cover it all, from field ops, transportation, shipping, and we do it all in here in the shop. Yeah, that goes back, to being the time efficient, downtime, where we can get the trucks and trailers up, where they're running to full capacity, cooling, the temperature-wise. But it takes everybody, that's for sure. Even the field ops crew, when they're a little slow, they're up here like today, they're getting their equipment ready, and so it takes everybody. And I think they all do a good job.
I'm Jonathan Allen, and I'm the parts manager at Rawl. I enjoy working with the guys on the floor, working on the trucks and everything, but here lately it's getting harder to get parts, just getting it from a vendor, and it's been tough. So I have been at my desk more now instead of out in the shop helping the guys, because we're very busy up here, and I try to help them as much as I can, but there again I have to work parts too. So but it has been a difficult time here past couple of weeks trying to get parts. Still able to get them, it just might take a couple of days longer and things like that. Where it be the tractors that plant the seeds or cultivate the fields or plow the fields, we work on the plows, we work on the tractors, work on the planters, and then on the other end of that we work on the trucks and the trailers that haul the product all over to our DCs. So really it's a big behind the scenes. Like, a lot of people don't know that we're here, but in my eyes, a team effort, and you know, we get trucks and trailers back out there and rolling so they can deliver the product, and then we keep the tractors and those implements up and rolling so they can actually plant and harvest the product. So yeah, I mean, major role.
Nobody sees this type of stuff. You know, they just see the truck driver going on the road and think it's ready to go, but it's a lot to deal with this stuff to make sure you get it safe when it gets to you.
I feel like sometimes we're behind the scenes, you know. I mean, you think about WP Rawl, you think about produce, you know, but it's a large business, a lot of equipment. I think we're a little over 200, 230 count on farm tractors, about 85 to 90 over-the-road trucks, 100 plus reefer trailers. At the tip of our season with the harvesters, we're around 40 vans, and that's 15 people per crew, so that's a lot to handle.
My name's Dominic Holderness. I'm a mechanic on the big trucks. Right now, I'm doing a wheel seal on the trailer, my truck, that's been leaking for a while. Just now cleaning up the brakes. I'm gonna put new brakes, a new drum on it, put a new wheel seal, just check all the bearings, make sure the bearings are good. Put a new seal in. Once all that's done, you just put new brakes, new drums on, put the tires on, and check the fluids, and it's good to go.
So the front side of the brake frame, the service side, started leaking. So I had to replace that and doing my diagnosis and end up finding the air tank leaking. So I got to replace the air tank. The reefer work, as far as your cooling, your mechanical problem when it comes down to the engine, belts, solenoid issues, electrical, and deal with tire breakdowns, brakes. My greatest motivation is being a professional at the task, knowing what tools to use, and make sure you do the job right the first time so you won't have to go back and do rework. Mistakes happen, and it's all part of the learning process. But remember your mistakes and go forward, and you'll live long in this journey.
Yeah. It's not as complicated as a lot of people make it, but it is complicated sometimes.
It all depends. Good week, 0. Bad week, 12 to 14. I like to keep it on good weeks. I don't like the bad weeks.
Yeah, it's good. I like working on the big trucks like that. There's some days it's not too fun, but hey, it's part of the job, and I love it working on these big trucks, getting them going down the road. It's a steady job for everybody.
You know, we try to have a smile on our face at all times, and sorry about that. APU just cranked up on the truck.